Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you are good and fine at home. I am a history teacher from Rajiv Gandhi English Primary and High School. Today I am going to teach history chapter India even after 1960. In my previous video, we complete the half chapter, and this videos we learn about the 19th. We decade the three parts: 1960, 1970, and 1980s. After the 1960, what are the problems? What are the changes? The contributions of leaders, and what are the issues are created, and the development of economic and politicals. So it will be increased or not. So in that previous video we learn about that. So now I continue my chapter in my this video, second part, the change after 1991. Okay, so there are four types of changes in the after the 1991. The first change is in India economy, second science technology, third one social field, and fourth globalization. Okay, now we start the lesson. See your textbook, open the page number 7. I read the chapter. First, introduction, the change after 1991. The year 1991 is held to be very important in the history of the world as well as India. The Soviet Union disintegrated into several different small countries, and the Cold War came to end in India. In India, the government under the leadership of Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao initiated many changes in the Indian economy during this period. The Ram Janmabhoomi and Babri Masjid issue at Ayodhya come to the forefront. Now the first paragraph, I explain this paragraph. The year in 1999 is very important history of the as well as India. In 1991, there one Soviet Union. We learned the previous video, Soviet Union in 1960. What the Soviet Union in that period, the Russia and the America. These two countries are very well power countries. So between the two countries are they opposed to each other. So that is the kind of the differences to the countries is called Cold War. Okay, the Cold War means to oppose to each other. That means the Cold War. Cold War means like that. Not you know that the war, the fight to the soldier in a border line. Not like that. Cold War means to oppose to each other. So Cold War between the two countries, Asia and America, that period. After that, the government under the leadership of Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao initiated many changes in Indian economy. You know Narasimha Rao? See, P.V. Narasimha Rao image. P.V. Narasimha Rao undertook leadership. They are totally changed in economic field. Okay, they developed the economic in India. So after that, during the P.V. Narasimha Rao, the first is problems are in front. What the Ram Janmi during his period, the Ram Janmabhoomi and Babri Masjid issue at Ayodhya come to the forefront. During his period, what issue is forefront? The Babri Masjid and the Ram Janmabhoomi. In that, during his period, so many people in Muslims say that there is a Babri Masjid is already is there, but Hindu religions say that Babri Masjid after before the Ram Janmabhoomi is there. So that is the issues are created, and the Hindu and Muslim will be fight to each other, they create the problems. So that issues come out during his Narasimha Rao period. After that, we learn the second paragraph. C. In the election conducted between 1996 and 1999, no political. Now we see the second paragraph. In the election conducted between 1996 and 1999, no political party got a clear majority in Lok Sabha. This resulted in three governments in a short span of time. Those led by Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deven Gowda and Indra Kumar Gujral were amongst them. Finally, in 1999, the National Democratic Alliance come to power under the flag of Bharatiya Janata Party, and Atal Bihari Vajpayee became an Indian Prime Minister. Now see in this paragraph what happened in 1996 and 1999. During the Lok Sabha election conducted. During this Lok Sabha election conducted, there no majority of political party will be. So the government is take a result. The three governments should be span at a time. So the three governments should be organized. So these three governments, the first in government leadership is three members. The first by Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and second one H.D. Deven Gowda and Indra Kumar. Third one is Indra Kumar Gujral. Here three members are in government. They took the leadership the Lok Sabha elections. So see the Atal Bihari Vajpayee. This is the Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Now second member of Lok Sabha, H.D. Deven Gowda. Okay, understood? Now come to the point. The three members in Lok Sabha election conducted. Three members will be. After that, finally in 1999, the National Democratic Alliance come to the power under the flag of Bharatiya Janata Party, and Atal Bihari Vajpayee become Indian Prime Minister. In 1999, finally the National Democratic Alliance. Democratic Alliance means what? So many people, so many parties come together. The majority of these parties is called Democratic Alliance. Understood? So this under the flag of Bharatiya Janata Party. So these parties, the majority of this party is long. So this party is go to the Democratic Alliance, and this party leader is who? Atal Bihari Vajpayee is the Prime Minister in India. Now Atal Bihari, third paragraph we read. See, Atal Bihari Vajpayee tried to establish a dialogue with Pakistan but was not successful in India, conducted a number of nuclear tests in 1998 and declared herself as an atomic power. In 1999, there was another war between India and Pakistan in Kargil region over the Kashmir issue. India defected Pakistan in this war as well. Now see, I explained this third paragraph. What happened? Atal Bihari Vajpayee tried to establish a dialogue to the Pakistan. They tried to solve the problems to the Pakistan. So many problems are there. So they wanted me to solve this problem. So they personally go to the Pakistan in a bus. But this in his aim not successfully. So after that, the 1998 nuclear tested. In 1998, again the nuclear atomic bombs are tested in Pokhran. We see the previous video in Pokhran in Rajasthan. There is a village of Rajasthan, Pokhran. The first atomic devices will be tested. So again the atomic bomb will be tested in 1998. After that what? In 1999 there was another war between India and Pakistan, Kargil region. After the 1999, what are the problems come? India and Pakistan between the war, because reason is what? The Kargil issues. So this Kargil issue, Kashmir issues. So Pakistan wanted Kashmir state in under control, but that is a problem. India and Pakistan, the between the war started in 1999, and India defeated Pakistan in this war as well. So India will be win in this war, and so I complete. Okay, understood everyone? What are the changes in 1991? With this only the introduction in after the changes in 1999. What are the changes? I read only the introduction in this videos. The first is what? The Cold War. The Cold War between the two countries. Which two countries? Asia and America. Which countries? Tell me, students. Very good. Russia and America. These two countries between the Cold War. Cold War means what? They opposed to each other. Okay, that is the called Cold War. Okay, understood? Very good. Now the second problem is what? Tell me. I explained in the first introduction, first paragraph. Very good. What problem is come? Ram Bhumi, Jan Bhumi, and second Babri Mosque. Okay. Now with second paragraph we see the elections conducted in Lok Sabha. There is no majority of political parties, so government took the three leadership under his. What three leaders are there? Can you tell me? I explain it. Very good. Clap for her. First is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Second one is H.D. Devin Gowda, and third is Kumar Gujral. Very good. Now three leaders come to the Lok Sabha members, and during the election period, after that the finally in 1999 was happened, the national democratic analysis will be conducted. So this analysis means what? The so many parties come together and make the one big party. So the majority of what parties? Can you tell me? Very good. Bharatiya Janata Party. And the Bharatiya Janata Party, who take the leadership? Very good. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Now Atal Bihari Vajpayee, during his period, he solved the problem to the Pakistan, but their aim is not successful, and after that he tested the atomic device in 1998. Okay, and after 98 what happened will be in 1999. Can you tell me the last one and explain it? Very good. What? The Pakistan and India between the war. Region is what? Kashmir issues. Very good. Now I hope you understood, students. So see my videos, like my videos, subscribe my videos. Stay healthy. Okay. Goodbye. Thank you.